Good morning students, welcome to the class of C++. In the last class, we have done the introduction to computer languages. We have done C++ language, system library and how to name your program. And in today's class, we will discuss page number 5 and 6. And we will discuss the how to save your program, compile or link your program, run your program. We will discuss different types of errors like compiler errors and linker errors. We will discuss that how to open an existing file and how to exit from Turbo C++. So students, open your books at the page number 5. Before saving the program, firstly we need to type a program. And for typing the program, we need to open the Turbo C++ on our PC or on the laptop. For that, we are having steps like double click on the Turbo C++ icon on the desktop. We will get the Turbo C++ Start Turbo C++ button. We will click on it and the code window will appear on our screen. Now we will start the simple message printing program. For that we have discussed different rules. First is we will put the hash. Include is my directive to call the system libraries. Angular bracket start iostream.h. iostream is my input output stream, means I want to do any input in my program and I want the result for it. For that we are having one header file iostream. First of all we have to write that. .h is the extension of the header file. Second file we will call with hash include Angular bracket start conio.h. Conio means console input output. Console means our PC or our screen from which we will get the result. We will input something and we will get the result. For that we are using the second header file, that is conio. After that we will write void main. I have written void main. Round bracket start, round bracket close means my main method is starting from this void main. I'll put the enter and I'll use Angular bracket start. Angular bracket will start the scope of my main method. And I will write cout Angular brackets like this. In the double quotes, whatever the message we will write, that will come on my computer screen. At the end we will use this semicolon and we will write get ch Angular brackets semicolon. Get ch to get the result on the output window. Cout whatever we want to print and get ch is used to display the result on the output window. And as usual at the end we will use semicolon and I'll use Angular brackets close. That will end my program. Students, here we can add one more thing after the void main. We can write clear screen CLR SCR round bracket start round bracket close semicolon. This clear screen will clear my output window for the next output. Let's suppose I have run my first program. The output screen is having the result of it. Now I want to display the second result. For that, first of all, I can make my screen clear. For that, we are using this clear screen. Now, we will do the steps to save our program. We will click on this file menu. We will click on this save option and here we will type the name of we will type the file name. We will click on file menu, save option, and we will write the file name over here. I will write school.cpp. CPP is the extension of my file for the C++. I'll click on OK. Now you can see the file name is coming at the top. Now student, we will discuss the steps how to save our file. For that, we will do the steps like double click on C++ icon on the desktop. Then click on Start Turbo C++ button. Then type the program code. We have typed the program code to print the message, print the school name. Then click on Save option. Type your program name and click on OK button. Now students, next topic we are having compiling and linking. Students, now the question arises, what is compiling? Students, when we create a program, it is a source code. Means whatever the coding I am writing, that is my source code. And the source code is not a executable code, executable file. Executable means the run file. For converting the source code into object code, we need to compile the program. Means I have written this code, that is my source code. It is not an executable file. Now I want to make its object code, means I want to convert it into machine level language. For that, we need to compile our program. And when we compile our program, it will create a object file and its extension is .obj. Now, when we compile the program, the object code is provided by the compiler, and this object code has to link with the system library. That has to be linked with this system library. And for this purpose, linker software is used to create the executable file. And the extension of executable file is .exe. Means first of all, we have to compile our program to make our object code, and this object code links with the system library and creates a executable file. Then we can run our program. Now let us do. Firstly, I am going to compile this program. I'll click on compile and compile option, and its keyboard shortcut is Alt plus F9. I'll click on it. See, if there is no error in my program, then this program is error free, and I'll press this enter key. Means now my object code is created and my object file is created with the extension .obj. Now I want to run my program. I want to see the result. For that, steps are click on run menu and click on run option. And to use the run option, we are having keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F9. I'll click on it. Now see, this is my resultant window, and the result is displayed on my screen, Holly Heart Presidency School. Now I want to go to the code window, then I'll press enter key or spacebar, escape key. So now we will do the steps how to run our program or compile our program. For that, we will come to our work and see steps to compile the program. Double click on C++ icon on the desktop. Click on Turbo C++ button, type your program, click on Compile menu and click on Compile option. These are the steps to compile the program and to create the object code. Now we will discuss the steps to run a program. For that we are having steps. Double click on C++ icon on the desktop. Then click on Turbo C++ button. Type your program. Compile your program. Then click on Run menu and choose the Run option. Now students, at the page number 6, we will discuss different types of errors. Students, error means the mistakes. Whenever while writing the code, we are not following the rules to write a program according to the language, then we are having different types of errors. First error we are having compiler errors. As I told you, at the end of every statement, we have to use the semicolon. In the program, after the clear screen, I put the semicolon. At the end of cout line, after the message, I put the semicolon. And after the get ch, I put the semicolon. Means, whenever we miss the semicolon, at the end of the statement, it will show the error. These types of errors means the grammatical or the syntax of the program are wrong according to the rules. Then the error message are coming, that comes under the category of compiler errors. Second type of error we are having linker error. For example, when I was writing void main round bracket start round bracket close, on the place of main main, let's suppose by mistake I have written made, or I have written wrong spelling of main like mane. These types of error will not create the executable file. If my program is having this type of error, then the file will not make the executable file. These types of errors are called linker errors. Now, next topic we are having, that is how to open an existing file. Students, let's suppose when we are opening the C++ and I am doing the work on the new file, I will open the new again. Now, let's suppose I want to open my existing file which I have made with the name school in front of you. For that, steps are click on File menu, click on Open option, select the file name, I have written school, and click on Open button. The same program, the same file will open on your screen. You can add it, modify, or make the changes in your program. These are the steps to open an existing file. Now, next steps we are having how to quit from the C++. For that, we are having File menu and Quit option, and its keyboard shortcut is Alt plus X. To open the file, we are having keyboard shortcut F3. To save the file, we are having keyboard shortcut F2. And for exiting the C++, we are having option Quit and keyboard shortcut Alt plus X. I'll click on it and I will exit from my C++. Now, let us discuss these steps. Steps to open an existing file. For that, double click on the C++ icon on the desktop. Click on Turbo C++ button. Click on File menu. Type the file name and press the Enter key or Open button. Now, we will discuss the steps to exit Turbo C++. Steps are: double click on C++ icon on desktop, click on Turbo C++ button, click on File menu and click on Quit option. Students, in the class of today, we have discussed that how to print a message with the help of a program. We have discussed the steps to save a project, means save your program, how to open an existing file, how to compile and run your program, and how to exit from Turbo C++. And also we have discussed different types of errors. Hope you understood the class of today. Do the program of printing different messages in the Turbo C++ with the help of school links. Thank you so much.